Top 5 Best Microwave Ovens and Copper Set. Number 5. Reliability and sleek design. Whether you're looking for a high-tech model with smart features or a compact oven perfect for your smaller space, we've got you covered. We also showcase a premium copper cookware set, a must-have for anyone who values both beauty and functionality in their kitchen. From fast reheats to multi-stage cooking, check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 4. Got you covered. We also showcase a premium copper cookware set, a must-have for anyone who values both beauty and functionality in their kitchen. From fast reheats to multi-stage cooking, these microwave ovens offer features that will make your meal prep more efficient and your kitchen look amazing. Plus, we'll explain why a copper cookware set is an essential addition, ensuring durability and superior heat distribution for your culinary creations. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 3. Now to find the perfect microwave oven and copper set for your home and learn how these products can make life in the kitchen more enjoyable. Best Microwave Ovens of 2025. Stylish and durable copper cookware set. Performance, efficiency, and design. Expert reviews and recommendations. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 2. These top-rated cookware sets help you cook with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, cook healthier meals at home, save money by skipping takeout, and make your kitchen feel brand new. Whether you're simmering hearty stews, searing the perfect steak, or whipping up quick weeknight dinners, the right pots and pans do the hard work for you. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 best cookware stainless steel pots to non-stick pans that actually last. Check latest price. Visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand-pull or mini-electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push, and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link.